We now determine an equation of a line that is tangent to the graph of f of x equals x squared and is parallel to the line 6x minus y plus 9 equals 0. So let's understand this diagrammatically. Here I have sketched the graph of f of x equal to x squared. This basically is a parabola which opens upward, and I have also sketched the line with the y-intercept 9, because if we put this equation in the y equals mx plus b form, we can determine its slope as well as the y-intercept. So let's put this equation into this form. We have 6x minus y plus 9 equals 0. I just transferred this negative y to this side. So I can put this as 6x plus 9 equals a positive y. Or otherwise, if we rearrange for y, we write this as y equals 6x plus 9. And this means the slope of this line is m equals 6, and the y-intercept b equals 9. So that's why I have drawn this graph of this line as like this, which is a kind of steeper, and with y-intercept 9. And so we know that this is the equation of the required line. And this line is tangent to the graph of f of x equal to x squared, where I have shown that it is tangent to the graph of this parabola, and also parallel to the line 6x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. That is, this line as well as these two lines are parallel to each other. So we know that when two lines are parallel, their slopes are the same. So we have already determined the slope of the line, which is given to us, and using the graph of the using the equation of the uh, graph f of x equal to x squared, we can determine the slope of this function f of x. So let's determine this. F of x equals x squared. Its slope is given by the derivative of f of x, which is f prime of x, and so this equals 2x. And this means this is the slope of the parabola, and this is equal to the slope of the line, because this represents the slope of the required line, which is tangent to the graph of f of x. So these two must be equal. So which means 2x equals 6, and this gives x equal to 3. So basically, this x equal to 3 is the point of contact of the line, required line, as plus the graph of f of x equal to x squared. Let's determine its y coordinate. We can do this by plugging x equal to 3 into this f of x. And so when we do that, we get f of 3, and this equals 3 squared, which equals 9. So therefore we see that the coordinate, that is x comma y, which is 3 comma 9, is the point of contact of the graph of f of x as well as the line, which is tangent to the graph of f of x equal to x squared. So as we can see from this diagram, this is the point of contact of the graph of f of x equal to x squared as well as the line. And this we have determined to be 3 comma 9. So now we know the point the line passes through, as well as the slope of the line equals the slope of the line, which is already given to us. So let's use these two information to determine the equation of the line. So therefore, equation of required line. Here we can use the point slope form, that is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where the point is 3 comma 9, and the slope of the line equals the slope of the other line where it is parallel to this line, which is 6. So slope m equals 6. So we will plug in x1 equals 3 and y1 equals 9 into this equation to determine the equation of the line. And so therefore we get y minus y1 is 9, and this equals slope m equal to 6 times x minus x1 is 3. Let's simplify this. We get y minus 9 equals, we distribute the 6, and so this becomes 6x minus 18. Now I add 9 to both sides so that I can write down this as a form of y equals. This is 6x minus 18 plus 9, And so negative 18 plus 9 equals negative 9. I can write this as 6x minus 9. And so therefore this is the equation of the line which is tangent to the graph of f of x equal to x squared and is also parallel to the given line.